Hello everyone, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this video I am going to speak about a particular topic that is being asked by my students, and that is the women's safety in India. Okay, yeah, so start.
What is your opinion about women's safety in India?
Okay, if I talk about the women's safety in India, so that is very worsening, because if I put the data in front of you, then we can easily find the rape cases. The number of rape cases are very higher in comparison to other country in the India. If the girl want to go outside at the late night, then it can be quite possible for him. She is having the denial from her parents to go outside, because it has been made the mentality of the parents, and there are also some issues due to which the parents are taking care of their daughter, and that is why they don't send their daughters outside. So that is why I think the women's safety is in very bad condition in India.
Okay, what do you think about discrimination between boys and girls in India?
Okay, if I talk about the discrimination of the boy and the girls, so that has been going for a long period of time in the India, because always you see in most of the families in the India, the preference is given to the boys first. For a very long period of time, the girl ferticide, you must have listened about it. Even it was very wide spread in the Rajasthan. The girls were being killed even in the bomb and not given birth outside. So that is why you see also the gap between the sex ratio in the Haryana and in the Rajasthan mainly. But now this situation has been improved, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi just has run a campaign, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign, that has a huge impact over the mentality of the people, and now they are also providing the education to the girls, and this is only the way, through only the education, this gap, this discrimination can be eradicated from the India.
Okay, why the people have such a mentality?
Actually, this has been inbuilt in our tradition, because our society is the patriarchy society, and the more rights are given to the boys, because boys become father and they are the head of the family. So that system has been following for a long period of time, and we are entangled too much into such kind of mentality and the stereotype thinking. So it will take the time to come out of it, and now the initiative has been taken by the women also. They are becoming educated, they are participating in the different fields of the work. For example, they are becoming scientists, they are becoming teachers, and even in the wrestling or the cricket matches ground they are going to. So they are breaking the whole mentality that has been running for a long period of time. So that's the reason why the people have such mentality for a very long time, and now it is being challenged by the women of India.
Okay, how this can be improved?
Actually, this can be improved just by spreading the education across the India. Like recently, the thing is going to improve the progress of the women. Okay, women are participating, as I mentioned, in the different fields in the India. Even they are working abroad, and now the women are more tolerable in comparison to the boys. They are also working the domestic works, they are also taking care of their kids, and they are also correspondingly working in the organizations, and they are performing very well. So can you imagine how it can be possible for a person to handle two things at the same time? But the women is facing such challenges, and they are doing it very well. So this situation is just the play of the mentality, just the game of the mentality. When the woman decided, and there is also one benefit of the education to improve this situation, because I would like to mention you here about a problem that is called the domestic violence. What happens and why it happens with the women more? Because before, the women were not educated. Even still, the large number of the women are not educated when they get married and they are divorced by their husband. So that time their condition is become worse, because they cannot do work even in the companies, since they are not educated. So that becomes the reason why they are only dependent on their husbands. But if they get educated, they can easily get the job, they can be dependent and it does not matter if they are asked for the dowry, and even they are divorced. So in this way the girls situation can be improved in the India. So that's all about it.
Okay.
So
Do you think about in India, all women have same problems in their family and all that?
no, actually, all the women cannot have the same kind of problem, but mostly, and there are some categories of the problem. Women are facing the problem because of the financial issues, just as in the dowry system, more money is demanded after the marriages. So, due to which many of the girls burn themselves and also commit suicide. And the second thing is they mean rape cases that we can observe for a long period of time in the India, and it happens mostly in the countryside areas like the UP, and even in the Madhya Pradesh. In the 2018 data shows the highest number of the rape cases over there, because the government was not taking initiative to control such kind of things. So that is why I think.
Okay. Do you know about Aisha Ahmedabad case?
Yes, I watched the video and studied about this. So she was also a victim of the domestic violence, and that is why that becomes a very popular case because of the social media. Social media plays a very prominent role in it. She uploaded the video and the people know about it. So that is the case of the domestic violence, and there are so many numbers of such cases that are happening across the India, but they are not revealed because their parents are getting afraid to be insulted by the society. But she took the initiative and she was the victim of domestic violence. So but her decision should be like she must go to the court and not commit the suicide, because she had to fight against it. Until or unless you fight against the evils of the society, then you cannot win such kind of situation. So thank you very much for watching this video.
Oh.